Hi there, this is Miss Tori. I am going to teach you how to make little Olympic tinfoil figures with your children. This is a fun way to incorporate the Winter Olympics at home. You can have them choose their favorite sport and turn it into a very interactive experience. So it's very easy. A lot of these things everyone has at home, so you don't have to buy anything. So this is very, very simple. All you need is tinfoil. And what I did is mark out where the head is, the arms, so just a line here and a line down the center. So these are the legs and this will be the torso. The other thing you can use for skis are popsicle sticks and toothpicks for the poles. And for the ice skaters, I just use toothpicks and just break them in half, and I'll show you the end result of what I've made. And you can also use cardboard to make little luges, snowboard, or ramps, fun interactive things, hills, jumps for these little tinfoil figures. It will be a lot of fun. So first thing you need to do is cut the tinfoil down the center line. Again, this is for the legs. This is for the head and the arms. Now tinfoil is very fragile, so just be a little careful when you're making a little tinfoil figure. So just grab it by the center and gently push it in. And so this is for the torso, but then you can separate it. So here's one arm. And what I like to do, since the tinfoil figures are so small, is to fold the arms in half to make them a little bit more sturdy, because the kids will play with them. And you just form this and fold it down. And same with the legs. So you just try to make it so it's in proportion to the human body. Fold it in half to make it stronger. And fold it in half. Now the head, so you just try to make it so it's all in proportion. The head, just fold this down into its form, and there you go. You have a little tinfoil figure. Now what you can do is have your children choose which sport they like the most, or they can just do all of them just for fun. Right here I have a snowboarder, a skier, and a figure skater or a speed skater. And you can even have them make uniforms for them and just glue them on. So I'll just show you how this is done. So my figure will be a skier. And when you have your popsicle sticks, all you need is I have the low temp glue gun, because this will prevent children from being burned. It's a lot safer. Just a little bit of glue. And you stick your tinfoil figurine on there. See, it's stuck. And for the ski poles, same thing. Just put it onto its little hands and fold it around. So you can make it any figure you would like. Have this a fun, interactive Olympic experience, and the kids can be doing their sports as the Olympics are going. So have fun, enjoy, and goodbye.